Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make these two awesome sandwiches, the egg sandwiches. This is a peppers and onions and eggs. We're also going to make a potatoes and eggs. Anyway.
It looks good. Let's eat.
Good cooking.
Awesome. All right. We got our potatoes here. We're going to do potatoes and eggs. And also we're going to do peppers and eggs.
Oh yeah.
Two different
nice
sandwiches.
Sandwich. Oh yeah. Just got to peel those potatoes. These were famous Brooklyn sandwiches. I tell you, we used to go crazy for these sandwiches.
So easy to make.
Yeah. Right. Potatoes are peeled.
All right, we're going to cut our potatoes. You want to cut them pretty thin because you want them to cook fast. Like that's good.
Beautiful. All right, potatoes ready.
Okay, we're gonna put some oil in here.
Extra virgin olive oil. Let that heat up.
I'm gonna cut up our onion now. We're gonna use half for one sandwich and half for the other.
Beautiful.
We're gonna put our potatoes in now. We're gonna fry those for a few minutes before we put the onions in. You don't want to burn the onions.
What's your favorite, Mom? Potatoes and eggs or peppers and eggs?
Both.
Both?
I like both.
All right. We'll have to give you both. Yeah, I know, right? All right. Looking good.
That salt is fine.
Salt, pepper. Beautiful. Smells good already. Oh, well, it's all.
Nice.
Throw them eggs in it. Yeah. You don't even have to scramble them. Great. Look at that. Oh, man. I'm ready.
Well, Mom. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got everything in there.
Mainly more salt.
Yeah, those eggs.
After the eggs?
How about some cheese?
Yeah. I want to wait.
Okay. Ready to go. Right, eggs are ready. Look at that beautiful bread. And as always, a good bread makes a great sandwich. Right, Mother? We need good bread. Oh, yeah. Perfecto. Potatoes and eggs.
How's that for a sandwich?
Beautiful. Can you throw some cheese on there? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful.
And we're gonna top it off with some Lucatelli cheese.
Oh, beautiful. Man,
This is my lunch. I don't know what you guys are eating.
we'll split the other sandwich meal.
Let's eat this first, and then we'll.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, grab a sandwich. Grab a sandwich.
You want a middle piece or end?
Man, look at that thing.
Yeah.
Oh. Looking good.
Yes. Let's eat.
Taste it, Ma. Let's let us know how it goes. You need a fork. It's a sandwich.
Yeah, I know.
Take a bite out of it.
Now,
Yes, now. How is it, Mom? Good?
very good.
Oh, good, good. All right. Next, we're going to go ahead and make the peppers and eggs.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
All right, we're gonna get our peppers and egg sandwich here. Let that get hot, and we're gonna saute the onions and peppers.
All right.
All right, we're gonna put onions and peppers in there.
Oh. Ready. Beautiful.
Some pepper. So,
That cook up.
this is a very quick dish.
Yes. Oh, man, it smells insane. How long we cook these for? About 8 minutes?
Yeah, just until the peppers are soft.
All right, how are those peppers? They look ready to
A
go.
little crispy.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna crack the eggs in here and
What about 7 eggs in there?
yeah.
Oh, man. That's pretty. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite right here. Peppers and eggs. Nice.
Put a little more salt and pepper in.
Nice.
Put some cheese in it. Too.
Oh, yeah.
Cheese, every cheese.
Yeah. Some Romano. Lucatelli. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful.
Get that bread cut.
Yeah, bread's ready to go. Just slide it right in there. Nice.
Yeah, that looks good.
That is beautiful. we're ready. All right. There's the bread. Yeah.
You got it?
Oh, yeah. That looks beautiful. Look at that sandwich. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll cut about 5 pieces. Oh, look at that sandwich. Beautiful. Cut a little one for Mom. She wants a little one. All right. Oh, look at that.
What a beautiful sandwich.
Put that on a plate. All right. Ooh, that's beautiful. There you go, Mama. You're full.
You don't have to eat that.
Just take a
Did
bite
you get
of
rid of
it.
all the plates?
Just take a bite of it.
Take it right.
Paul, eat the
Can I
rest.
take it now?
Yeah, take it now. Well, it's hot.
I thought make it burned.
You'll be all right. What do you say? What do you think, Mama?
Very good.
Good? Awesome. All right, Dom. What do you think, Dominic? Where's your sandwich?
He ate it already.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers.
See you next week.
Yeah, hit that notification button, that bell down there. So this way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Anyway, ciao.